Utopia of the Seas, Royal Caribbeans' newest ship, already had an evacuation at sea. The CDC shuts down a Margaritaville ship. And well, Disney World is bringing a brand new drone show to Disney Springs. We've got a lot to cover, so let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on, Adventure Fam? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a fantastic week this week, and hope your energy is up. And look, it's been a fantastic week. The kids, this is their last week of school for them, so they are finishing up today and tomorrow. Today we had a party for our pre-K'er, Adeline. They had a water party. It was awesome. They had water squirters, and they had shaving cream, and they had sprinklers and snacks and everything else. It was super cool. The kids were super excited about it. So we did that for about an hour this morning. And then it's a typical work day for us. But I hope you're having a fantastic week. And before we jump into these 3 stories that we have to cover today, you know the drill. I want you to take the next 10 seconds, hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you love this energy and you love the news, and turn on those notification bells so that you know when we post new videos. All right, so let's jump right into story number 1, which has to do with Royal Caribbean and the Utopia of the Seas. So the Utopia of the Seas is going to be one of Royal Caribbean's newest ships that's going to set sail this summer. However, they did just conclude their 5-day sea trials. Those 5-day sea trials began on Tuesday, May 7th, and on Saturday, May 11th, they had their first real-life emergency evacuation off of the ship. Now, as part of the extensive sea trials, like they always do, they had about 900 crew members. That means engineers, designers, officers, you name it, everybody under the sun. About 900 people on board for those extensive sea trials when that evacuation took place on Saturday, May 11th. Now, the evacuation took place just 8 nautical miles from Belle Isle, which is on the northern part of Bay of Biscay, which is just due west of the shipyard in which the Utopia of the Seas is actually being constructed. So we don't have any other further information as to who the individual is or to what the extent of what the injury or what occurred. All we know is that a helicopter was brought in and the individual was medically evacuated to a hospital in Van Nuys, which is about 30 miles away from Belle Isle. Hopefully they are recovering well and they're able to get back to work soon. All right, so moving on to story number 2, Margaritaville at sea. You know, those party boats, the party cruisers out of Florida. If you're looking for a cheap way to go on a cruise and party, Margaritaville is your go-to spot. But the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise, well, May 1st, they had a secret inspection by the Center for Disease Control, and they said, no bueno, no good, you are not good to sail. They found over 65 different violations, and so Margaritaville at Sea Paradise, they are going to have to correct all of these different issues, or they are going to be prohibited from sailing. Now, some of the areas in which they fail the inspection are areas in which you as a cruise passenger don't want them failing in the inspection. That has to do with food preparation and food storage, plumbing, has to do with pool maintenance, has to do with cleaning procedures, has to do with a plethora of things that you would just hope you wouldn't have to endure as a cruise passenger. But they failed on multiple fronts, and now Margaritaville at Sea Paradise has to now correct all of these deficiencies in order to get permission to resume sailing. If you want to check out more information as to what the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise failed on or what the recommendations were, I'm going to go ahead and link that in the description below for you to check out the entire article. Moving on to story number 3, if you are going to be at Disney Springs between May 24th and September 2nd, you are going to be in for a treat because Disney is bringing in a drone show. Now, this temporary show is going to be called Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by AT&T. And like I said, it's only going to be there from May 24th to September 2nd. This is going to be 800 drones going up and performing an entire drone show, which I think is absolutely cool, absolutely amazing. I think drones are some of the coolest things that have come out of technology in the last decade or so, whenever drones maybe have made their presence. So this drone show is going to be at Disney Springs, and it looks to be a pretty cool experience, a pretty cool show that's going to be going up. So if you're going to be there from May 24th to September 2nd, I would encourage you to go down to Disney Springs and check out the drone show. Now, they did do a preview on the Disney Parks Instagram page here, you can see, and this show looks absolutely cool. It looks absolutely amazing. They've got different characters from different movies. They're going to have quotes, and they're going to have all kinds of different things. They filmed this in France, and you can see that there's different elements to this drone show that they're going to be doing. And so again, if you're going to be in Disney Springs between September 24th and May 2nd, I encourage you to go check it out. We certainly won't be there, so we won't be able to see it. But if you do, definitely we would love to see the videos of that and see kind of what it was like. So I'm sure it's going to be plastered all over the internet. And so if you're going to be there, go see the drone show. I think, again, drones are some of the coolest things that we have as technology. But it's been a great week for us, man. I've just been training hard for the Ironman. We're getting ready for the kids to come out of school. We're finalizing vacation plans, booking our Airbnbs in Tennessee. We just got a ton of stuff going on. It's hard to really keep up with, quite honestly, the consistency of the YouTube stuff and filming some other things and getting everything together for vacation and whatever else. It's certainly first world problems, so I'm certainly not complaining about it. It's just to be real with you guys. Getting videos up every day has been a struggle. It's been, it's been challenging, and so I'm trying to improve that. But again, one-man show here, filming, editing, all that stuff, and trying to split my time between all of the things that I care and love about, which includes my family, and then of course work, and then of course filming and YouTube and stuff like that. So appreciate your guys' support. If you haven't subscribed yet and you want to be a part of the Adventure Fam, we encourage you to do so. Again, hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you love these kind of videos and if you love the energy. And look, we appreciate everybody's support that's already been supporting us, and we love you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.